I wish I had shot a video of these are my Pacific Madrone Arbutus Mansesii last week, because the bark was just glowing orange. And this is the time of year that they shed their bark. And underneath you can see that new green layer. Kind of like a eucalyptus does the same, but the eucalyptus tends to come off in more big pieces. This is more little pieces, right? Kind of clean it off like that. It's green bark underneath. So I think most of you know this is a West Coast native. Found up Vancouver Island, Washington, Oregon, California. Tends to grow along the coast. But it does occur inland. It does occur around here. And I planted this one. I have another one here, not quite as big. It doesn't get as much sun, but you can see it is really peeling off. But a week ago, the bark was just outstanding. It was electric, kind of reddish orange in the sun. But there's the nice smooth bark that is occurring. This one still has it flowered, and it's got some seeds that are ripening. I planted this tree here, and it's like a 3-inch seedling. I'd say going on 5 years. I don't even want to hazard a guess how tall it is. And when I planted, I had read, let me get up here, but these are a slow growing tree. And in my experience, I would say that they are not. If they like the spot, they will explode. Don't water them in summer. They get phytophthora, which is like a fungus that will attack the roots and kill them. Sometimes these trees just kind of up and die. But so far mine are doing quite well. One of the nicest native trees you can get. They do have flowers, and then they produce the berries that the birds and animals like to eat. They tend to grow not so straight. They tend to do funky things. You can kind of see mine split in two here, and around the base is the coast strawberry, which is actually another native plant. It's an evergreen ground cover, but nice big green glossy leaves. Drainage is really key with these guys. If they don't have well draining soil, they're gonna die, and they're gonna die quickly. But it's getting there. It's getting to be quite a big tree. So quite proud of this one. Even the other one is not too bad, because these things can be finicky. You want to plant them, you don't want to touch the roots, you don't want to disturb them. And a lot of people will say, like, when you plant them, don't even walk near them, because even that will cause them to die. I have mine on you can kind of see there's there's the lower level, the mid level, and the upper level. And these are kind of on the mid level. And the great thing is now they've gotten above my ceanothus hedge, another native, and they're getting sun for most of the day now, so they've really started to take off. They do get huge with time, very huge. So we shall see. Fingers crossed this one continues to do well. I can tell you that this part of my garden is probably the driest part I have. It is bone dry. It's like dust in summer, but that's what these trees like. And then the wetness of the winter doesn't bother them. It's just when it's hot, they need hot. When it's hot, they need it dry. And when it's cool, they can tolerate the wet. So I have been seeing them at just about every nursery locally in the Portland area. Before, you never saw them. And then I would see them on occasion, but now it seems like they've really taken off. But you want to plant them small, and it's kind of a set and forget type of plant. Thanks for watching.